Hi, you beautiful souls. I am Gulasha Khan, or Gul Didi, as you may also know me. I'll be talking to you about this particular event called Freedom of Speech. And in this video, we'll see what this event is all about and what are the rules and criteria for the same. So let's get started. So first, let's actually talk about why is this event existing, right? Why should you participate in this particular event? So if you know a great speech is capable of changing the world around you, right? You must have definitely heard speeches of freedom fighters or people around the world who give great speech and inspire others, right? It also inspires you as well as the audience who is listening or witnessing the speech. Or it can be as simple as even getting an A plus for your assignment. So let's actually come and participate in this event and practice the freedom of speech in a written form, something which our ancestors have definitely fought hard for. Now, about the event, what are you going to do in this particular event? So, you, as the interested participant, you need to write on a very basic topic, that is, you need to write a persuasive speech on as to why should one read a book that you have read recently, or read your all-time favorite book, in which basically you need to present certain facts about the book and make sure the others, or you basically need to just motivate others to read a book that you want them to do. How are you going to do that? You are going to do that by writing a speech. Now, who's the best fit for this particular event? Students of standard 8th, 9th, and 10th are the best people who can actually do great job in this event. Now, there are certain rules and regulations, right, which makes an event a competition and very eventful. So there are only three rules in this particular event. That is, students should have an RC of above 3. If you are not aware about your RC levels, you can definitely reach out to your didis and bhaiya who teaches you English. They must have some record about the same. The words limit for this particular speech writing event is 200 to 250. It is short but yet impactful. Now you can either send in your entries by typed for in a typed form as well as handwritten form. In case of handwritten, make sure you just make one PDF, scan, and then send it. Lastly, what are certain criteria that we are going to evaluate you on is the three basic pointers, that is introduction, body, and conclusion. Wherein in introduction, you introduce the topic, yourself, and get the attention of the audience, as well as the body, wherein now you give certain evidences and examples to support the argument that you're putting forth. Lastly is the conclusion, wherein you emphasize the main points and summary of the speech. A detailed rubric of the evaluation is attached in the PDF of the same event, that is the freedom of speech, which you will find in the group, or would be sent to you by your didis and bhaiyas, so you need not worry. And yes, I'll see you later in the event, hoping for a lot of participation and great speech. Thank you so much.